Oh, wait. Nothing's wrong with this today. Oh, I'll do this next test one more time. No! Oh my god. Again. Night, Yoshi. I played again. Anyways, I barked at a snake and get the ring fragment 4. And gave it to the little dog. Who wants it too? Yeah, no. Yeah, I barked at a snake and he got fainted this long. I howled in this game too. It's easy. Well, questions. Some of the questions aren't easy. Not again. Oh. Well, I'm gonna go back here. Wah! Oh me! Yoshi will eat! Oh Yoshi, I'll eat Yoshi! Bye. Bye. Well, taste the player! Mess it up! What should we do next? That should get. No! Ew. It won't be a never-ending adventure. You mean? Finally, I escaped from that donkey dinosaur for days. I must save my life now. Woo! I'm back. Hey, what the heck are you doing? Yes! Oh, wow. Oh! God! You died again. Ah, no! Oh, no. Ah! It's so slippery, the cloud. Be careful. It's so slippery. I don't need to go to that challenge. What the? I'm taking the other way. This is this way, okay? You keep going. Oh no, not again. Oh. Did you let me collect it on this course? You've been going there every day. Probably no. Please, please, please. That exploded. It's not funny. I need it. It exploded. Caused you to lose all those petals. I failed. I can't. I can't. Not anymore. I should get both of you. Bullet Bill, why did you always do this to him every day? Exactly. Tell him, please. Oh, sorry. It was an oops accident. Is this gonna relate anything to oops? Oh my lord. I thought you kicked Yoshi off the clouds again. I'm not gonna accept it when there's no mice. Sorry. That's my way. Thank you, game. Oh, no, let's choose a different Yoshi. 21. 21? What is 9 plus 10? 21? No. Oh my. Oh, I'll take it away from you. I will. Ha ha. Goodbye. Wow. I need to promote you too. But you cannot do that. That's the secret. This one over here better than this. Wow. Diego, why would you get uninstalled by a user? What are you doing on that course anyways, Yoshi? I just found it out. You take one every day. Wow, I heard this. Every time Yoshi slips this hip. Oh, wait. You've been lying down most of the time, Yoshi. Oh, jeez, Louise. Say goodbye. Wow. Not again. Hello, music. Give me a break. Do you update everything that turns out to be a Diego less? That's the conflict and destiny problem of the story. Oh my god. Oh dear. How do I eat what? Why? Hey, you. Out. You Yoshi. Hey, you, get out. That's not the right Yoshi. This is the right Yoshi. Oh, much better. I'm playing it so well. That's true. You're not going to do the same every day, sir. You are done. That little hedgehog just teaches you a lesson right here. Oh, wow. Is Yoshi making that same sound forever? Oh. Oh, boy. You got me good. You see me rolling this one, too. Maybe I'll kick this guy off. You think this is funny? Oh no, I am this way too. Come on, I'll erase erase all of your acorns. Well, I have the power to do this. In this video game. Off from there, I swear. Yeah, you are too much. Is it working? Oh, I'll get rid of him later. No problem. And after that, he'll be chased by a bunch of dogs at the dog park for this squirrel. That's enough. Bye. Is it working well? Oh my gee. No. As we sort for that and see what happens. If it goes to above. Let's get out of here. Bing. He chose Bing. Maisie was my favorite cat. I don't care how much she gets when she eats. This is her cute reaction. This is her cute eating skills. Especially when I do adore her way too much. Then Jazz. Sorry, Jazz. I'm just gonna ignore and getting mad at you from now on. Wait, no, we forgot these shoes. There. Much better. This should have been settled. This should have been settled. What are you shoes? Yeah. We did it. Looks like he's eating up all those bubbles. Looks like he's eating up all those bubbles. Kitten was there at the top. Well, there's no comma in 100,000s. It's just like what, it's just like how each number or a calculator has no comma, but they only use decimals for it. Okay. Well, Artless collection of Dog Island comes after Yoshi's Story for a bit. Or if you want to do it next before Yoshi's Story at the end. Otherwise, that'll be a whole different 3 years. No, that'll be like... Let's forget about it next. Don't do that every day. Oh, we did. Oh. Did you see another cat coming by? I'm always in the random areas of this game. See here? I want more sapphires. I'm saving the rest. I'm not spending on anything on it too. Wait, that was not... That was the... Young bees have beef bread. Eat it. Hold it. I'm changing it for Dot Mar too. I'm changing his coat color. That's most my favorite. Yeah, Rick rolled by Diego. Oh. Ooh. He got Rick rolled by Diego. Oh, no. You continue all over again. You can stick around with this. You lose. You lose. Let's do it again. These are the type of farces. No tutorial. Since I know how to play this. Oh, no, you don't. Flip it. Bye. Oh. No. Please. Why should I do that? Oh, I thought I was working on a new and different version. It's a different version. Oh. Another checkpoint. How much miles should I even do in this game? Oh. See about that.